What's going on, guys? Trevon Thompson, Thompson Realty Group, the CrossFit and Realtor coming to you. Really quickly, want to break down something I posted earlier today about sellers, just some seller tips. Now, it had to do with decluttering your home, and I said that one of the most effective ways to make your home more desirable while on market is to declutter or to make more space. You want to actually maximize the perceived space in your home so that it gives the illusion that the home is bigger than it actually is. It's something similar that designers do with mirrors or architects do with windows or high ceilings and things like that. The more clutter there is, the more uncomfortable things will feel. So that's why I suggest you go through everything and make sure it's a clutter-free environment. Get rid of the non-essentials. And while I understand that nobody wants to declutter their house, there's some simple reasons to get it done. And I just wanted to give you a little bit of motivation to go ahead and get that done for yourself. The number one thing you can do to get motivated to declutter your space is to listen to music while doing it. Whether you choose the radio, an MP3 player, or your favorite playlist on the computer, it doesn't really matter. Music will definitely help you be more excited about cleaning, or so we think. But hey, try it anyway. It works for a lot of people. It may not be your jam, but it works for most. Choose upbeat music. It'll make your work faster, and as an added benefit, it could count as light exercise, when some of us need that a little bit more than others. Second tip, wear real clothes. Not your best clothes, of course, because you're not going to church or anything. And certainly not pajamas, because you're not going back to bed. But really getting dressed down to, your comfy shoes will really put you in the mind space that you've got to get work done. You're here to get stuff done. Now, if you start cleaning in your bed clothes and your house slippers, might be a little bit harder to take it seriously, and therefore it'll slow you down and you won't get everything done as quickly. Here's another one. Set a deadline. Invite somebody over for dinner. That way you have a hard stop before that person or that couple or whatever gets to your house. You'll be a lot more motivated to get it done because you have to do it by a certain time. But be careful to give yourself enough time to actually get it done. And maybe you can also use a timer. As this works really well with kids, it may work well with you too. Maybe try to beat your last record for cleaning. Get the kids involved. They might get excited about trying to beat the clock. Last but not least, the piece de renaissance. Give yourself a reward. This can be something you purchase, maybe a snack, ice cream, or if you're boring, if I finish all my cleaning, maybe I can buy that new book I've been eyeing. Yeah. Or it can be time spent doing something you really enjoy, like going outside to play basketball or field hockey or whatever the heck you play. Or if you're old, when the master bedroom is clean, I can spend time scrapbooking. Creating a reward for yourself at the end of finishing a dreaded chore can be a fantastic reward. Try it sometime. Anyway, this has been the CrossFit and Realtor, Trevon Thompson, brought to you by Thompson Realty Group. Have a great one, y'all.